In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Google Slides, a skill that can take your presentations to the next level. Incorporating video into your slides can make your presentations more engaging and informative, so let's dive in and see how it's done. First, we'll start by heading to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in the Google Slides URL, which will bring you to the main landing page. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so, as this will allow you to access all the features you need for this process. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you're ready to create a new presentation. To do this, look for the option that lets you create a blank presentation. It's typically the big plus sign you see on the screen, an unmistakable invitation to start with a clean slate. Click on it, and in a moment, you'll be looking at a brand new presentation slide. Now that you have your blank presentation open, let's focus on adding that engaging video content. Direct your attention to the top menu bar and look for the Insert option. It's usually nestled among other options like File, Edit, and View. Click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear offering you various elements you can add to your slides. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the Video option. Go ahead and click on Video. This action will prompt a new window to open, presenting you with choices for inserting your video. If the video you want is on YouTube or another online source, you can search for it directly using the YouTube search bar available in this window. Simply type in the video title or URL and hit search. Once you find your video, select it. Alternatively, if the video file is saved on your Google Drive, switch to the Google Drive tab in the same window. Here, you can browse through your folders and files just as you would in your regular Drive view. It's important to ensure you've uploaded your video to your Drive beforehand, so it's readily accessible. Once you locate the video, click it and then press Select at the bottom of the window. The video is now embedded in your slide where you can adjust its size and placement to suit your presentation's design. Use the corners of the video box to resize it and click and drag the video to reposition it. And that's it, you've successfully added a video to your Google Slides presentation. This technique is a fantastic way to make your presentation stand out, offering a dynamic way to engage your audience. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and with this new skill you can enhance your presentations in no time.